Hi guys, in this video I want to show you how to use Seedance 2 for free in your Android phone. Okay, this is my phone. I want to cast the screen right now in my PC. As you can see, this is my phone. Okay, first thing first, let's go here to Play Store and download this application. Okay, called Dola. Dola Smart AI Assistant. Hit install. Okay, the installation of Dola is finished. As you can see, Dola is a smart AI assistant that allows you to use Seedance 1 and Seedance 2 for free with sample credit. I think a day for 10 point. Okay, let's set up the Google account, Facebook account, or your phone. For me, I want to use my Google account. Continue with Google. Okay, let's choose any Google account. Confirm your age. Yes, hit confirm. Allow. Okay, how to use Dola? Okay, we have to go right here and hit create from here. This aspect ratio, you can set it as you want. For this image, for us, it's the video, not the image. Okay, you want to use the model Dreamy Residence 2, aspect ratio. Okay, and let's add a prompt from ChatGPT. I want to race between two cars. Okay, how to get the prompt from this? We have to go here to ChatGPT. I want to create a race between two supercars using Seedance 2 prompt. Okay, and hit send. Okay, start creating our prompt. Okay, we have to copy all of this here and hit copy and paste it in my phone. I don't want that. Click here and hit paste. Okay, it's pasted from the Windows to our phone and hit send. Okay, the video is ready between 1 to 3 minutes. Let's wait. Okay, as you can see, our video is ready. Let's see. Okay, you can save it from here. Okay, it's saved successfully. Okay, guys, this is all for this tutorial. This is how to create videos in Seedance in your phone.